Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to copy a table in SQL Server. We will use a very easy method to make a copy of a table in SQL Server. So let's get to it. Here I am using the database AdventureWorks, and we will use one table person.person to make its copy, just like person underscore backup. I created this example previously, so I'm just going to delete it because we will create it from all new. Okay, so here's the table person.person. Let's see whether it contains some data. Yes, it contains over 19,972 rows, and there are a number of columns: modified date, row GUID, demographics, etc. So our goal is to create its copy. So let's start. We will first I will share the syntax of making a copy of a table in SQL Server. Then I will explain with examples. So the syntax is select columns into new table from existing table. Right? So this is the syntax for creating a copy of a table in SQL Server. Select is reserved in SQL Server. Here we will give the list of columns we want in our new table. Into again is reserved in SQL Server. Here we will give our new table a new name which we want, and after that we have a from clause that is again from the reserved of SQL Server, and here we will give the name of the existing table we just want to copy. So for our example, the table is person.person. So what we will do, we will replace this columns syntax with star, which means all the columns into person dot person underscore backup. That will be the name of our new table, which we will shortly see after generation. And here we will replace this section with our existing table, which is person.person. Okay, so let me explain shortly. This is our existing table. This is the table which will be just recently created by SQL Server after running this command. And select star means include all the columns and all the rows from this table into this table. So let's execute this command, and shortly we will see the result of our query in our results window. Taking a bit longer. Okay, so the command has executed successfully, and it's saying that 19,972 rows affected. So let's just go to the table section, right click it and refresh, and let's see here. Here we have a all new table with the name person.person underscore backup, which we proposed here. So let's check its data. Right click it, select top 1000 rows. Here you can see that it contains all the columns which were present in the existing table, and it also will contain all the rows from the existing table. Let's just rerun the query, and shortly we will see that the same figure here, 19,972 rows. So our new table person.person underscore backup is an exact copy of person.person table. Okay guys, that was pretty easy, I think. Let me explain again. Select star means number of columns into the new table from the existing table. So it will create an exact copy of the old table. Now our goal is to now we will run our second example, and in this example we will try to filter our data, and we will create a new copy which will contain limited number of columns. or limited number of rows. So for this example, here we see that the modified data column, it contains the records from many years like 2014, 2015, 2012. So we will just like to filter our data for year 2015. So for this purpose, we will just filter our data and modify our query. So that was our original query, which we used to create an exact copy. Now we want to create a new copy of this person.person table, which will only contain the modified date up to for the year 2015. So we will just rename this table to backup 2015 from person to person, and now we will add a where clause where year modify date uh, sorry modify date is equal to 2015. So this is our criteria for the new copy. So let's just run our example. Okay, it is saying that let's delete it which I created previously. Delete this table. Now rerun the query. Here it is telling us that 10 rows affected. So let's go to the tables, right click, refresh, and here you see the new table person backup 2015. Now open this table and you will see that this table contains only 10 rows and which are from the year 2015 only. Okay guys, so that was a very easy method to make a copy of an existing table. And I showed you two examples, one to create the exact ditto copy and the second one to create a copy of filtered data. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like me to make videos on different tutorials or tips like SQL Server, C Sharp, .NET, so just let me know in the comment section, and please like my videos and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the new tutorials right away in your inbox. Till the next video, take good care of yourself. See you in the next time. Bye bye.